Hey, Gary. Ruth Carter, social media attorney extraordinaire out of Phoenix, Arizona. Love you, love the show. Excited for your book coming out next year. Speaking of books, I have a question for you about my upcoming book. So, as you know, I wrote the book, The Legal Side of Blogging, How Not to Get Sued, Fired, Arrested, or Killed a few years ago. And I think it's time to do another book that expands on my earlier work and applies the law not only to blogging, but also to all types of social media platforms and answering questions I get all the time about copyright, trademarks, terms of service, defamation, privacy, all those types of issues, because this is an area of law that is not going away. If anything, it's getting more and more complicated. But as I've been looking at my ideas, I've noticed that I get questions from two camps as a lawyer. On one side, I get questions from entrepreneurs and business owners on protecting their intellectual property and their business interests. But then I also get lots of questions from people who are interested in the legalities of social media from a personal perspective, like when they can post images on their personal Facebook pages, worrying about things like revenge porn, privacy, and things like that. And I'm wondering, do I really have two books that I'm working on versus just one? I could cover it all in one book, but I'm wondering if I should separate it out into two. What do you think? Thanks so much, Gary. You keep answering questions. I keep people out of trouble in the process. Take care.